So Puneet, we are looking at two IPOs which will be opening for subscription today. First of all, I want to start off with Rubicon Research. Now this comes with an overall IPO size of around 1,377 crore or so. This includes a fresh issue component of 500 crore while the rest is offer for sale that we are seeing in place. Now do note that this is a company which is engaged in manufacturing of different formulations as we speak. The fresh proceeds to be utilized towards payment of borrowings, along with that funding inorganic growth opportunities that the business is eyeing on, along with some general corporate purposes that we are seeing. In fact, if you do a SWOT analysis on this, in the key strengths, we are seeing that it already has strong R&D capabilities. Along with that, they have a good presence in terms of where the US market is concerned. Their sales and distribution is relatively stronger there as well. But on the weaker side, since they have a higher revenue contribution coming from the US market, with the recent headwinds in terms of the new announcements coming in picture, that could pose as a weakness. But going forward, what we can look forward to in terms of opportunities, it's in niche therapeutic areas wherein they're eyeing more opportunities. Along with that, they're also planning for more geographic diversification as well to get that contribution down from other key markets in which they currently operate. But still, the threat remains that there's higher competition as well as pricing pressure on the markets. Along with that, regulatory and litigation risks continue to be a challenge for the business as well. Coming to the second IPO in focus is Canara Robeco AMC. Now this comes with an overall price band of 253 to 266, and this is a complete OFS that we are seeing. About 1,326 crore is the size that we are looking at. Do note that this is an asset management firm in India, and this serves as an investment manager for Canara Robeco mutual fund. In fact, if you look at the objects of the issue, if this OFS is followed through, Canara Bank will sell about 13% of the stake in the company, while Oryx Corporation Europe will sell about 12% stake in the company. But coming to the overall SWOT analysis in terms of this particular IPO, now of course it has strong parent lineage with its association with Canara Bank. Along with that, they have diversified equity product mix as well. But of course, the dependency remains higher on Canara Robeco mutual fund, as that is the sole source of its management fees. But going forward, Indian mutual fund industry continues to give higher opportunities for the business. But any terms of legal proceedings with this particular IPO could pose as a possible threat. So this is the overall picture that we are seeing for IPOs opening today.
Well,